sit down, it's just a tone. She smiles politely back at you. You stare politely right on through some sort of window to your right. She goes left and you stay right between the lines of fear and blame. You'll begin to wonder why you can't. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to save a life. Never know that you know best, 'cause after all you do know best. Try to slip past her fence without granting innocence. Lay down a list of what is wrong, the things you told her all along, and pray to God she hears you. And pray to God she hears you. And where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to save a life. She begins to raise her voice. You leave her yours and grant her one last choice. Drive until you lose the road, or break with the ones you follow.